Good morning viewers. Today I would like to discuss about a very common skull condition, abnormal positioning. We call it Plagiocephaly. Normally it appears one of the posterior occipital area of the skull. This is the front and that is the back side. One of the posterior quadrant is not in symmetry. In this condition, one of the posterior quadrants of the skull is deformed due to position or due to malpositioning. That part is more flat as compared to the other, and for that reason, for example, in this case, this is the back side occipital area. One of the side of the occipital, one portion is more flat as compared to the other, which results in abnormal skull shape. For that, we make custom cranial remolding orthosis. Today I would like to discuss about the trim lines and how we do the fitting and the trimming. So this is the full mold on the model. If you can see here, it's almost very nicely shaped, full round here. Okay, so I would like to tell about how we do the trim lines, cutting and finishing all the things. The first step would be you need a marker, okay, and then if you can see here from this sides, okay, you may see that this edge, and there is also a small curve area. So from this area we need to make our points, like for example, where is this area? It is exactly here. Similarly, we will make another mark on this area. So we have two marks initially for the trial fitting and for the trimming. The next step would be, you can see here, this is the ear, right side ear. It looks me fine, so maybe we need a small trimming. So I would like to just do a small trimming initially from here, and from this area we cannot see anything because this is fully blank. So I need to open it and then we will do our trimming. And once I do all the trimming, I'll show you the full shape. You just need to open it. Okay, full open it like this. From inside you can see this is the corrected shape. It's very nice. Okay, it's nicely fully rounded. Now if you can see from the inside that there is one groove here. So this groove is exactly over this area. We need to trim it. First we need to locate where it is. For example, in this case we can have also from the front a small groove here. So for our reference, I will draw a line here, small line. Okay, and then we can also draw a line perpendicular. Okay, similarly from this area as well, and then we need to make a small nice curve from here as well. So this will be our initial trimming line. Okay, so once I need to trim it and then I will show you. The second thing is, if you can see here inside, we have a small depression here for our ear cutouts area. Okay, so once you know where exactly, what is my way, it can be vary from clinician to clinician. I normally do like this. I just make a small trim here, and then once it's ready, I'll do a fitting on the patient. We'll see if it is it's really okay or if it needs some other trimmings. Okay, let's do it. Let's do all these trimmings and we'll see how it looks. So in our next step, I would like to trim it by jigsaw, the one I marked, both sides, and after that we will do some finishing work. For example, here on the back, on the neck area, neck region is very sharp. We need to make it half round and all these things. So let's get started. So we have trimmed this area already. Now I need to cut it from this one, the right ear. Similarly, same position. It's done from this side as well. Okay, so this small area we'll do by grinding on the router machine. Okay, so now we can see how is the fitting now. This is the model. We need to fit it. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, if you can see it here, this will be more adjustment will be done with the patient, because we don't want to lose this area also. It might need little bit more proximal trimming, and this one is, we can see now, ear and other side here. Okay, we do some other small adjustment, small trimming, and once the patient will come, we'll do the fitting on the patient, and then we can proceed if needed further or no. So we'll do some machine work now. So we have done some small trimming and finishing, okay, roughly, and further we will check with the patient once we have the patient here for fitting, and after that we will do the final adjustment and deliver. Hope this gives you some idea how we do all the work in the lab. Okay, so this is now ready after initial some finishing for the trial fitting. Okay, in this stage I'm happy. If you enjoyed, give the thumb up and take care. Bye bye.